Medicare Part B is not free. You're going to pay a monthly premium. So make sure you have an understanding of what it may cost you monthly. And it's going to be determined based on what your income is. Most people in 2023 are going to pay $164.90 a month for their Part B premium. But some people have what's called an IRMAA adjustment, or an income-related monthly adjustment amount. And that means, again, the higher income you are, the more you're going to pay for your Part B. So let's look at this chart behind me and let's talk about the different thresholds, where it is that you could end up spending more on your Part B premium. There's basically 6 levels of thresholds. Behind me, you only can see 3 of them because otherwise the chart would be way too small. So let's just talk about the first 3 columns. But if you're filing single and you make $97,000 or less, you're going to pay the standard amount of $164.90. If you're filing single and you make $97,001 up to $123,000, then it goes up to $230.80 as a monthly premium. You look to the next category. If you make between $123,001 up to $153,000, instead of the $230.80 a month, now you're going to pay $329.70 a month. And then there's 3 more categories to the right of that one that you can't see. If you look up above it, you can see this chart also talks about what happens if you file joint. If you file joint and you make $194,000 or less, you're going to stay at the standard $164.90. But if you make $194,000 plus 1 up to $246,000, that's where it's going to go to $230.80. The next category you can see on there is if you make $246,001 up to $306,000, that's where you're going to pay $329.70 a month. Now I'm going to switch the image behind me so you can see the rest of the chart. So behind me are the other 3 thresholds, and you can see the bottom row still is about filing single, and the top row is about when someone files joint. And you can see that the most someone pays as a monthly premium is going to be $560.50. And if it is a couple, it's going to be per person, not household. The Social Security Administration is responsible for determining what your IRMAA is going to be, or what your monthly payment is going to be. And they look back 2 years. So in 2023, they look back to the 2021 tax returns. And sometimes people are like, but wait, I'm no longer making that income. What do I do? And there are certain grounds. There's 7 different grounds that you can appeal if by the time you're starting Medicare, you're no longer making that kind of income. So just know there could be some relief around the corner if the payment is not equal to what you're making currently.